A rare steak and a rare burger are not the same thing. If you only take one food safety tip away from my channel this barbecue season, make it this one. Don't serve burgers rare. Now, when it comes to steak, any harmful bacteria is usually found on the outside of the meat. So when you sear the outside of that meat at a high temperature, those bacteria are destroyed, which is why it's generally considered safe to eat a steak that is still pink or rare in the middle. Now, burgers are different. So when the meat is minced, everything gets mixed together. So that means any harmful bacteria that were on the outside of the meat before it was minced will end up all the way through the burger, i.e. in the middle. So if you serve it rare, those harmful bacteria in the middle will still survive. Now that's why at home, burgers should always be cooked all the way through. Now this is where people often ask, so why do restaurants serve rare burgers? And the answer is that they can, but, and there's a big but, only if they have strict food safety controls in place to reduce the risk. And as an EHO, a food safety inspector, this is something I would take very seriously. Now, if a food premises is doing something like serving burgers that are less than thoroughly cooked and they didn't have any additional measures in place, it would automatically give them a low hygiene rating because of the risk associated with undercooking burgers. Now the controls that they could put in place could be things like controlling where the meat comes from. They could use special preparation methods, things like sear and shave if you've ever heard of that, and validating their cooking procedures. But those are controls that we just don't have at home. And even with all of those controls in place, it's important to remember that the risk of food poisoning from a less than thoroughly cooked burger is still there, even in a restaurant that is doing everything properly. And it's especially important to bear in mind for anyone that falls into a higher risk group or a vulnerable group, like children under 5, anyone who's pregnant, older adults, or anyone with a weakened immune system. So regardless of being at home or in a restaurant, people in those groups in particular should always make sure that their burgers are cooked all the way through. So next time you're firing up the barbecue, remember that a rare steak and a rare burger are not the same thing. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe to my channel because I've got lots of summer food tips coming your way.